morning, guys. Happy Saturday. The boys are up. They demanded breakfast. There's the bacon. Okay, not demanded, but you know. Complain. Whine. Okay, so I'm gonna make some eggs because PJ asked for sunny side up egg. That's PJ's breakfast. Scrambled for Uriah. Can you say please? Please. Can you ask nicely?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't just eat the bacon.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
You're gonna eat the eggs too?
I didn't wash your hands. Just kidding, I did.
You did wash your hands?
Yeah.
PJ's already started on his bacon. After you go pee? Excellent. Okay, PJ, where are you sitting? Here. Bon appetit. And for the adult breakfast. Oh yeah. That looks good. Alright, just as I said, here's your IKEA ice cream cone. I even got one for Uriah. He had to go to the bathroom.
McDonald's and IKEA have the best ice cream.
I think they're like practically the same ice cream cones. I don't know. They look the same. Mmm, yummy. Like that? Make sure you eat all around it so it doesn't drip, okay? Here it is. 2 hands, please. Is it good? It's a little bit warm in the car. He fell asleep. You gotta eat it quickly before it melts, okay? I got a cup just in case you didn't eat it. Alright, you're doing such a good job. Dad had told him to turn it and lick the sides. Tasty. I wanted to eat the cone, so I chopped it. I got a cup and a spoon, so I chopped it off. That good? Is the cone good?
I'm almost at the cone.
Oh yeah? Well, make sure you lick the sides, PJ. It's a little bit drippy. Wow, you're right. Ate that whole cone, except for that top part. Is your belly full? I imagine it's pretty full. You want a wipe? I brought some wipes. Hey, get a wipe, Daddy. Thank you. A wipe. Okay, never mind. Just give me that. It's gonna be sticky still. Wipe your mouth and your chin. Thank you. And your mouth. And your mouth. All over your mouth. Good. Here, let me see. More? You want more of it? Please don't make a mess. Look at this face. Why are you making that face? He dropped it right into the cart. Okay, give me the cup. I'm just gonna grab it into the cup here. It's gonna go through the cart. It's so hard. Oh my gosh. I can't even see. I'll clean it up from down there. Or you can clean it up. Uriah. That's it. He's a little sad. It's okay, baby. You had so much of it already.
It's okay, Mama.
You had like almost all of it already.
It's okay, right?
Thank you, Coco. Coco's so nice. Gave you his cone, huh? Good job, PJ. Thank you. PJ, make sure you wipe your hand and your mouth. We've been looking for a desk for PJ so he can do his homework. This one's a pretty good size. 50 bucks.
How much is the chair?
40 bucks.
I'm gonna put a computer here, homework here, and then this is gonna be
About this whole shelving unit too.
I don't know if I want to put that up.
He needs shelves.
Yeah.
Some shelves, get a little lamp. Are you excited to do some schoolwork?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then I can get the Nintendo Switch and connect it to the computer.
Oh, jeez. Gamer for life here.
We are back home. These guys are playing who knows what over here.
Come over here. Stop.
We did build what we bought at IKEA.
I know, it was like record time, right? We instantly came home, started building it.
We have some stuff that we haven't built for like years.
Now close your eyes. Just stay still.
We bought this thing, so now both boys can have their own bins.
Because we got too much clothes.
Sorting, that's the hardest part. Like, figuring out what's too small for Uriah, too small for PJ. The in-between sizes, I gotta figure out too.
I think like soon all the stuff that are like even questionably small for Uriah needs to go. Because he has way too much stuff.
That's this pile here. This is the Gold Cousin pile.
He can't fit that jersey no more?
Jersey, no, it's too small. It's probably 24.
Something, Gary.
We've been doing a little bit of multiplication, so I'm giving PJ some multiplication problems. Yeah, look, he's doing it excellent so far. But there's some hard ones on there. I don't know if he's going to get it. We'll see.
Wait, that's easy. And just count it,
Okay.
starting from 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Correct. Dude, this guy even got my hard ones down already.
Oh.
Those are the easy ones.
Yeah.
You're killing it, dude. Great. Excellent, PJ. Uriah wants some candy too, so we'll do some reading. Let's see how he does it. Okay, Uriah. Let's look at this word. Read it. Sound it out. What's the sound? Come on. Look at this. Look at this. What sound is this? What? Okay.
Give me a clue.
It's like apple. Apple? Yeah, so ka. So what is this? So say it all together. What?
Cat.
Good job. Say it together. What is that?
Back.
Good. Excellent.
No. I'm getting close.
It's the same thing. You just did it.
Mat.
Ooh, smarty. No. Yeah, you're such a smarty.
Uriah's gonna get a burnt pizza, almost burnt pizza.
He was like, be careful, it's like, please burn easily.
Burnt.
We burned plenty of these.
I have burnt plenty of these pizzas. Those are the pizzas that we bought from Costco the other day. It's really cheap. It's like $9.99 for a box of 12. And then they're on sale. So I think you save like $3
So they're like
a box.
50 cents a pizza.
Yeah. I bought them for the kids' school lunches. Because they're going back to school. Well, I don't know why I'm happy about that.
Yeah, man. Why?
PJ wanted spicy noodle soup, so I'm gonna make him this. It's air fried. It says mild, but it's still got a little kick in it. So this is what we call spicy noodle soup. And he wants extra seaweed. Put them right there. How's your pizza, bud?
Good.
Good? Yummy, huh? Good job. Is it hot? Warm? Good chomping. It's very, very hot. Oh my gosh, I said don't do it from the bottom because then all that trapped heat.
Nice and middle.
No, it will sing.
It's hot, PJ. I can
Yeah.
see the steam.
See, look.
No.
See, try this bite maybe. And that's metal spoon, so the metal.
Oh yeah, it traps the heat.
Yeah.
Transmit or conduct heat. Conduct.
How is it?
Really hot, really spicy, which is good.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. We really appreciate when you guys do that, and we'll have a new video for you tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.